How to create Bank of America account online. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up any web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type bankofamerica.com. Now tap on search. Now wait for the website to load. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots and tap on desktop site. Now tap on login. Now zoom a little bit and tap on open an account. Now select your account type to create. For example, let's tap on checking and savings. Now tap on get started. Now select your type according to your need and tap on open account. Wait for the website to load. Now in this page, fill up your information and tap on submit. By following this simple step, you can create an account in Bank of America. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.